Road King FLHP and the Police Electroglide FLHTP, Harley-Davidson's law enforcement motorcycles. These powerful motorcycles showcase the next level of Harley-Davidson's legendary strength and innovative engineering, and are designed to help you perform the toughest job in the world. Both feature classic, stripped-down styling with plenty of performance and versatility. High-performance front suspension technology provides the performance of a racing-style cartridge fork with linear damping characteristics and reduced weight. The emulsion rear shocks are hand-adjustable with a single knob, no tools required. 23 turns provide 25 millimeters total adjustment. And unlike air shocks, once preload is set, it does not need adjustment as there's no leak down. Our suspension system provides improved damping and better overall performance for a smoother and more confident ride. The Harley-Davidson police bikes offer more comfort. Handlebar position combined with hand grip angle provide improved ergonomics equaling a comfortable feel. The Deluxe Solo Saddle seat features an adjustable coil-over shock absorber design for more cushioning and better support. We know you're always looking for a cooler ride. That's why our fan-assisted oil cooler comes standard and features a thermostatically controlled fan, which provides continuous flow of cooling air even when the bike is idling in traffic or moving at a low speed. The fan automatically engages when the engine oil temperature rises, and when in operation, our fan-assisted oil cooler can provide up to a 50-degree drop in oil temperature. And upping the comfort even more, you can add the Parts and Accessories Cool Flow fan to pull hot air away from the rear cylinder and exhaust pipe, helping maximize rider comfort in high-temperature environments. Hand controls are conveniently located and offer a tactile feel that officers will appreciate. Emergency light activation, cruise control, siren air horn capability, stealth mode functions, and heated grips for the FLHTP are all standard. Including the hydraulic actuated assist and slip clutch makes for smooth, effortless shifting. Powerful reflex-linked Brembo brakes with ABS provide improved stopping performance and auto low-speed delinking for maximum maneuverability. And all of these great features and technology are centered around the heart of our fantastic riding machines. Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee 8 114 V-twin engine. This iconic engineering masterpiece is the most powerful and coolest running engine Harley-Davidson has ever built. Engineered from the ground up with bigger cylinders, 4-valve cylinder heads, and dual spark plugs. But what does that mean to you? A performance upgrade with a full load of gear. Execute passing maneuvers with confidence and fewer downshifts. More on-ramp power to gain speed when merging onto the freeway. And more power to pull away from traffic. Our counterbalancing system, rubber mounts, lower idle speed, and dual knock sensors help ensure more precise timing control and smoother running from idle to top gear, while the narrow primary gives your left foot a straighter, easier reach to the ground for easier liftoff and more control at stoplights. Harley-Davidson offers an extensive line of parts and accessories that allow you to outfit your bikes to make the job just a little easier. And the charging system on the Milwaukee 8 provides 50% more output at idle. You'll have all the power you need to support these accessories and make easy work of the demands that the job can put on an electrical system. The Police Road King FLHP and Police Electroglide FLHTP are designed and built to give law enforcement officers a tactical advantage while offering the power, agility, comfort, performance, and styling that can only come from Harley-Davidson. It's what the men and women who wear the uniform deserve and what Harley-Davidson has been giving them for more than 110 years.
Is there anything more iconic than a Harley-Davidson police motorcycle? They've been building motorcycles for police officers for over 110 years. And we're not just talking about movie cops, but the real boots on the asphalt police who are out there in the real world.
And as you know, our dealers have always had a special connection with their police forces and their local communities.
It's really a bond because we work closely with them to make sure they're getting what they need for doing such an important job. And right here, we have two of the very latest examples.
The Police Road King FLHP and Police Electroglide FLHTP. They both feature all new reflex defensive rider systems. RDRS is a brand new technology package that helps the rider maintain traction and control in all kinds of adverse weather and dicey situations, whether accelerating, decelerating, or braking, in a straight line or in the turns.
Because cops have to be prepared to do it all, in any weather.
That's right. The Reflex Defensive Rider Systems is an entire package of advanced features, which includes cornering enhanced ABS. It also includes cornering enhanced electronic traction control. We also have drag torque slip control, which reduces rear wheel slip under deceleration, like in hard downshift or in slippery conditions. Another exciting feature is vehicle hold control to keep the bike from rolling backward when starting forward on an incline. An officer can't always choose where they're going to stop. With a quick snatch of the front brake or a quick push on the rear brake pedal, the bike will say stop with the brakes on for up to 5 minutes so the officer can do what they need to do. We also have TPMS, tire pressure monitoring. There's a sensor that alerts the officers when their air pressure is low. This also now includes a right angle valve stem.
And tell them the best part about all this latest technology.
It all comes standard on the FLHP and FLHTP police motorcycles.
That's a huge advantage. Now the Electroglide has a couple of additional features worth mentioning, right?
Yes, the Electroglide comes with the all-new HD Connect. Think of this as a cell phone that's on your motorcycle and it's always on. It's collecting data from your bike and it's sending it up to the cloud. The police officer can download a free app for their phone and get that same information right on it. And we shouldn't forget, because officers have asked for this for years, we have new bar ends that are turned up higher to give officers more leg clearance.
Which is kind of a big deal when you're living on this thing hour after hour, day after day. So now that you've covered the latest innovations, you might want to point out some of the other Harley-Davidson advantages that help motorcycle cops do their jobs better while making their lives a hell of a lot easier.
Sure, they both feature one of Harley-Davidson's greatest engineering achievements, our Milwaukee 8 114 cubic inch V-twin engine. This gives the officer the torque and horsepower they need, whether they're in pursuit or they're doing parade duty.
So now that means more power to hit an on-ramp, zip past traffic, and get there faster.
Yep, and because an officer's job often means spending hours in high temperatures, these bikes come standard with our fan-assisted oil cooler.
This is all just a quick overview of what makes the Road King and Electroglide the gold standard of police motorcycles, or blue standard. To learn about all the features in more detail, just visit your local Harley-Davidson dealer.
I know being a police officer is one of the most important roles anyone can play in our society. Thank you for all that you do for us.
There's something undeniably right about a cop on a Harley-Davidson.